want to name, let me know down in the comment section down below what you think. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So, like I said, if you are expecting a child, you're looking for a good Igbo name, if you would like to connect to your ancestors, basically if you don't have an Igbo name for yourself or for someone, if you would like an Igbo middle name, if you would like to learn more about the culture, get more connected to your roots, and maybe even change your first name if you would want to, let me know down in the comment section down below. I'm here to help us as a people connect with our roots a little bit better and understand where we came from, right? So basically, if there's something you'd like to speak into your life, manifest it into your child's life or anything like that, let me know and I'll give you the closest Igbo meaning, closest name to that Igbo, I'll give you the closest Igbo name to that meaning, right? And in my culture, we have a belief that anytime someone speaks your name, they're calling the presence of God into your life. So that's like a built-in way to always walk in greatness and help us manifest great things in our lives as a people. I've gotten a lot of great compliments and people say a lot of things about